Hey guys, it is your girl Lauren, aka L Boogie with the Intentional Legacy, coming at you with this unstuffing video. I hope you guys had a great holiday Thanksgiving. We did. Let me tell you, your girl did her thing with the cooking. Like you, look, let me tell you. Anyway, very proud of myself with that. You know, Thanksgiving looked different this year, as I'm sure it did with a lot of you, but we made the best of it, and our family had a good time. Good meal, good time, good conversation. So with that, I am doing an unstuffing video, and the reason why I like to do these is because it really is an accountability for me to see specifically how I'm managing my cash envelopes, because it is the weekly spending that will get your girl in trouble, you know? So I don't know about you guys, but this whole journey is really an exercise in changing behavior and mindset about things. And so I just like to make sure that I'm keeping track, and by posting it on my channel, it keeps me accountable as well. So we're just gonna look. I only have a couple of cash envelopes. As you know, I don't like to keep a lot of cash on hand, you know, during the week, because I really don't need it. So there's no need for me to have a wallet stuffed with money. So first and foremost is the nails, which is very interesting. I don't know what I did, but somehow I got a week ahead, it seems like, in my nails. So my next paycheck is due to come up in a couple of days, and so basically I have this $60, which, you know, you could do one of two things and leave it there and not stuff the $60, but then I feel like if I don't do that, the money could potentially, you know, be spent on something else, or just allocate it like I'm gonna do and just get a new $60. So eating out went kind of fast. I was home a couple extra days that I didn't anticipate, so I used that for the kids. Actually, they ate my eating out money. Shopping, I did not do any for myself, which I'm happy about, so that's $10. Personal, again, did not do any of that, so that was $10. And then gas, I have to figure this whole gas situation out, because the gas, the $40, did I get a lot of gas? I actually didn't get a lot of gas this week, because I was home a little bit more this last week and a half. So that being said, let's see what we have. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, and then there's 5 ones, so 120. So $120. That is awesome. Basically, and like we said, I had to figure out this whole nail thing. I guess I got myself on a really good schedule, so that $60, I don't want to keep accruing money in my nail thing, because it doesn't make sense, right? I'm never going to spend more than the $60, so yeah, I'm not doing that right now. So when I started looking at the places where this money can go, you know, this is where I keep my sinking funds, and I started to think about where I can build up savings for the upcoming year. So I traditionally put it in my Prime, Tech, Sigma, and Boogie is left over. That's for me. Savings, because technically these aren't sinking funds for 2020, they're really for 2021. But I put any overflow that I have in here because it just gets me ahead of my goal. So I think what I'm going to do is, for first and foremost, Sigma. Y'all know I like to do increments of 7, so I'm going to put $7 in there, which should get me to 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 21. Almost had a situation there. I was like, wait, what? Back to that counting on camera, right? So 21, and again, that sinking fund is not, I'm not tapping into that until 2022. So that's what's up. I'll save Boogie for last. Prime currently has $20 in it, and I am going to give it another $10. So that would be $30 for Prime. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 30. So that would be $20. Technology, like I told you guys, is something that I always buy at least one big tech item for the year. Technology, let's see what I have. I'm going to give it 20. So here we have $50 in technology, which is a good thing. And whether that's for me or my daughter, my kids, because this past year I bought technology for my son, so it's not just for me. Some areas that I do want to build up is, let's see what we have. Car maintenance. I am going to give $30 because my car maintenance bill was significant. At least for me anyway. That's what I felt. So it already had 30, so now it'll have $60. Car maintenance always has to have some dough in it because it just does. You know what I'm saying? Really, it just does. I never want to get caught out there. That's for sure. Car insurance, and I'm just looking at what I have. Car insurance, I'm actually going to give an extra $20. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to get at least 1 month ahead. My ultimate goal for car insurance is I pay my premiums every 6 months. They're in 6 months increments, and so my goal is to get at least 1 month ahead because the month of December I don't have a premium, and so if I can save up the full amount and just automatically be a month ahead, I think that's awesome, and it will help me build more and more. So car insurance has 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So that would be great. Because I plan on continuing whether I have, so let's say my next car insurance bill is due in January. I still plan on taking that bill money out of my budget in December. And so now between what I have in December plus what I have in my cash envelope, well, I'll take what I have in December, put it in my cash envelope. I'll be ahead of the game. I really want to get to the point where I'm just paying my car insurance twice a year instead of the 4 times. So I got from 6 months down to 4 months increments, and now I want to get to 2, if that makes sense, right? So really it was 12 months down to 8 months. Now I'm trying to get to 2 months. That's really what I meant to say. And the last, let's see, $30 here, I am going to put towards I'm thinking I'm going to put it towards wedding. So I'm going to look and see dues, taxes, birthday, hair, and my copay, and this is household ones. Yeah, so I think I'm going to put this $30 towards the wedding fund. That can't accrue fast enough, in my opinion. Because I see what people spend on weddings, and I think me and hubby agree that's not what we're going to do. But I'd be lying to you if I said I had cheap taste, because I don't. So, just being realistic and honest with myself, I think this has really helped, because it's like there's certain things that I'm just not going to scrimp on, to be quite honest. So it's like, all right, let's just save the extra money. So wedding now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So that's what's up. And again, I still have more money in my wedding account, and then this will supplement that, and then that extra Oh, we got $3 whole. $3 whole. So these singles I will give to myself. So that will be boogie money. So now we have $9. And so I just feel like, again, this is just my exercise in making sure that I have something for me. Just to remind myself to get myself stuff. Not that I really need a reminder on that, but you know, if I have an unexpected, see a little something, something, there's nothing wrong with saying, oh, I got a little cash there. So that was a real quick video. I hope that helps, everyone. I think for me, the whole sinking fund and cash envelope system is really helping me monitor my behavior, see what is priority, see what I'm spending on, and see how I can save. And I think I'm actually going to do a video. My next video is to show exactly how much money I've saved in the last 3 months, which is kind of crazy. So sometimes I feel like, is it all worth it? Should we be doing all of this? The hubby will ask, like, you got all of this stuff in these envelopes and this is cool, but is it really making a difference? So I think I'm gonna, kind of shoot a little video and be like, let's see if it's making a difference. So I hope this is helpful for you all. Thank you for your support. Please continue to like, subscribe, and comment. And have a good one. So peace out.